se beka ne se ne simitie yemfa bi enka ho yenyi bi nso emfa mfrim ye de obuo ni die ne bekasa ba yemmedi no nso achi emfa hu nkonkomene kasai ye beka no se ne tie me de akwasisia asemi de kabre na adru soin ana no pamnu ba bedi komo bia emotional kakra ba me stress yenyi emotions no ento nchen na yen confront issue no se ne simi etie se utikam na wotwam nim se bia wahuna amanfo bi taa de nkwada agina nkwanchen se omo yare stress sika de masa nkwada no ye saa doye no because say ye hu sa nkwada bi ko ahoyehiem omu hia aboafo enti yemwa wo mo bampempi so behwa ya tabusa ho say sa sika na mede eboa nipa na ogina ogichi sika on behalf of akwada na oyare dim no odi akwada no ko hospital na sa sika no ekọ hemfa why na sanction sa manfo nyina nkwanche mfa nkwada sebi yarefo enstress sika nyi sika fo mko ayare sabia why ne monitor sa nkofo yes adwuma no meba video bia fa na sekese koma GBC Ghana Broadcasting Corporation madaruma anom ya sa document na me boka krebi na de akyerew na tie ensem a Dr. Peniya owo rich abaya sabia no said djuma okolebu abaya sabia na tie asem the National Coordinator of Social Welfare eka about sankrofo de amanfo gina kwanchen esese sikase ye kwakwahwe mo ayare sabia hwe video e ba be kas ma kyerew.
We can't even take care of children, kids who have tumors and cancers.
I can say for sure that in this hospital and in Kolebu Teaching Hospital, none of these children have reported with the funds that they have solicited.
The whole thing is like a syndicate, and also it's a business.
If the child is sick, the constitution says that he should be entitled to medical treatment.
Okay, so after lawyer Susu, Obano Kasa to us, your friend Dr. Nihad Salifu, or Greater Accra Regional Hospital, name him say friend Rich Hospital, no. And the next one Okasa and so the National Coordinator of Social Welfare Department. What you asema Dr. Dekai? Osibet me aka for sure, because most of the arenas are kwana so me yare no begina kwanche no. Eye Kolebu anase rich and most of the times ye kwahwe mo sa yade no wose metimi aka sai sa kwada na ye do mo gina enkwanche sesesika no omu bie no de mba sa hospital anom ana Kolebu ekopa yarsa de mo. Now the National Coordinator of the Social Welfare Department of Social say the thing is now a syndicate. Sama for me na abo say ye de no ye business. Ghana your maya ye ya adoye pa. Ye your maya adoye ahumobro ayemye ewo ye so. Menka we mani mu abam say maya moa enkrofo. Sa documentary say I think in October no show full documentary nyina. Ne mu bia yenya opportunity to watch it. Do you know say there's a whole business cartel? Yeah, man for this anko de bank kwanche mesres ska no ekoye sales de mo. Me se min ka wen fam mu yabam say me enkoso nya yadoye na ye no. But yentimi so ntena se mankrofo bi emfa nkwada sebi woni mo benkum eni mo nifa emfa be business wo man mu. Senasemu amutanam kaneshi first traffic light. Ekofo bi say yellow t-shirt. It's a whole business itself. And let me from within to ja. Subsequent ekwe mi numbers ni na beto ja. Ye kwe ni mu. Numbers na mo de to wo man kofo se ye mfefa donation but ni na beto ja. Sankofo na say yellow t-shirt no e business no mo ye. Enya ya resebi no pede man kwada. Eni ekuta influencers kaya tututu gumu. Susu box ni bi. Kese pa de nam ayi kase ho. Akwada yare akwada tiachi akwada tia enye ye. Hwa akwada o yare. Ni ese na ko hospital ni e drop ben. Atu akwada ni efrum amu. Na akwara dobi nsa so gina wi akata ban so se de sika de ama no. Se de sika e de ama sa akwada no. It's so sad. Say as a man, this is where you build away your hood to. We can't take care of our own children. Our own children. We can't take care of them. But I'm saying Ghana will be begging as a snap by Pashman Beggars and Destitute Act. No, I mentioned I have 4 days. Some can't say me nana Muslim and Asem. Me sure that Ghana mamra e kanifa asresle ho. Asresle so be gina kwanchen esresle de Ghana mamra e kanifa ho. This week we start work committee your children acting so there's a challenge somewhere. Ye kwa me ko nusuma akwa kire this week here mu me checho nya there's a challenge. Some aspect of our children e kwa fa so de boy ye mofra ho ban e ye mamu no or how kese e wo ho. Make sure that the Begging and Destitute Act. Nye kan edifa o maya mamra nye kan edifa ho. Any adwuma also social welfare for eye. And you see the national coordinator of the social welfare department I mean you know. Nye emma adwuma so bebre aka won ye say eyam adwuma o ma me. Eyam adwuma na matrasi amada when now you use the same when now say and the syndicate no matrama syndicate bi edidim adwuma no ho. And the nkwada sebe ye so me ya yarefo egina nkwanchen and the omo stress sika and am for this sika no egu omo botom sa nkwada no yemfo mo nko hospital sa nkwada no yemfo mo bia enko hospital elo man mra ne so aka se o pese o ji sika ne bu akoda bi ayasa bia enhihye ho betim bia fa so. So this is the Beggars and Destitute Act 1969. Ghana Mamratie. Section 2(1) provides that any person found begging and any person wandering or placing himself in any premises or place for the purpose of begging may be arrested by the police officer without warrant and shall be liable on conviction to a fine not exceeding 50 Ghana cedis or imprisonment not exceeding 3 months or both. Eti emranisi se police ni chia obi now tin kwanchen sika onya court warrant kura onya court to me kata kwa obetimi achew sana Ghana mradeka eti police ni opeso achew obi a o se sika kwaja wonya court to me wonya kata mfa free court asala otimi achew. Ghana Mamrai Beggars and Destitute Act 1969 say so police ni share won kwanchen now se sika obetimi achew. Shadia, the criminal defenses. Section 2(2) provides that a person shall not be deemed to be begging by reason only for soliciting or receiving alms in accordance with a religious custom or the custom of a community or for a public charitable purpose or organized entertainment. Hana Asem no wono. Say asori eye dia ehonjo. Enti yenwem kremofo betimi akofa saraka. Say me yes saraka. Yeah, but you see, I can't say ye act no or how be wo ho ye say to me na ze betimi aka e de ase ani a menkasi yenya adoye na yeye no menkasi yenya adoye no but ye ntimi ntase ntwe omem se enkwada bebu ye kwan so mebrese do mu seseka in the name of Saraka. No. Ye ntimi ntase nya ne saa menyine se ye komeka ye hu saa de mebrese ho ye okwa fa so ye Saraka and I check our street but be a bia ye ne kwada jiro mo nkra seseka but be a bia and na oforeti enwunu mu and na san kwada no etwa akra kwan mu etinye ya homete but my Children's Act no enya homete kura si e mofra awofo no me yempanifo no omote nwunu mu and ye ja kwada na kwada no etwa akra kwan mu eseseka. Now this is the Children's Act. Mami Japanamina section 19. Or section 19 of the Children's Act, Act 1958-560, requires the Social Welfare and Community Development Department of a District Assembly to investigate if it has reasonable ground to suspect that a child is in need of care and protection, to direct the matter to a child partner or remove the child to a place of safety for not more than 7 days. And the child case must be brought before a family tribunal before expiry of that period for an order to be made about the child's welfare. It is how Kwadana among phobia conform almost says Kadiamono, a social welfare for you. And what's assembly no? Yeah, social welfare department hold them no. And you say, I'm yeah, Marco, this sound 17. One first machine could Janko says the car. And what you said to say social welfare for beginning now, but I could say. Eti akwa say ejem ka say ma national coordinator for social welfare no enye se bia wo ne wanya asem o but see one asem o ka say eye syndicate no one na masa syndicate na ba because se mu be brada modwuma ne so it will be taking advantage and your mind Ghana said here to protect your ma oh my God no ye ya said here se babo your ma no ho ban. And this is the work of the Social Welfare Department. And you are three me sauram. Ye jai mesa etina ma fokwa de kwada efia ma hodo so ba ye mamu e be seseka. Na mo so binim so ompe ayi Barcelona pa. Sa nkura no. Ompe Barcelona jesi she pa. So monitor sa na hwa. So, Social Welfare Department. And Kokosi Dabay. And you issue the ade. Dear Germany Abanesa. Because ye teach your Mutina Manakoya kono say. E bimyako kodone kwadane bana. And kwada sebi mesi woni mo benkum eni woni fasam ye kayo. Obi na atam da ba besi kwa ho. Ese kore kokra sesika. Nam se enya asem ne enke se akwada akatu na bro na wawu no da kwabra na ensem de gina awia kataba so esa manfo nya adoye. But all boils down to budget said the social welfare for. O ma ko masika ye twa ne se na the social welfare for. Enti ye nyina ya jatu ye bo social welfare for e ye bo machi budget say and a Social Welfare Department here wo Ghana ye de mom nan say ye say central region maami bi ya okoda ambulance na kwakoda nkwanchen amu akwakogu ebe ye he etwem enu anu no bibia nsibiem and in a super social welfare force the question here say budget say eno man mu ye de ma social welfare osa kwesi se me du pempen so me na se me dwuma kokura sai a me timi ko social welfare for pen for catch am say me dwuma sai at least ye ntwia me ka se ne bia mo timi le twia me ka ye ma me kakra e ma me ho anyira yira me bebre wo man ka sa kroma ka twia te say se ne de mom that's what I'm talking about. And today, especially by me, what the policy for your mofra sebio ya Thomas Sabram. ye mofre atoma jejem me se ne ya ye Ghana ma ya kono se enkrofo de enkwada efio mo man so e ba Ghana be sika ko nim se Ghana de e ba bibia anya adwuma please ni bia anchew go away ene ye she Barcelona nta jesi ne nkwara ne nam ne ye sika sa Asem awrewo ene dangerous at the mayen enkwada ne nam sa street na so bia enhwe omo no they will one day become a national security threat to us. Because some kwada ye won se woni da so bia oba bia. Da bia mpanika sa asem we. Obi a oni en swade hunu. Woni nya asma hwene ye. He has nothing to lose. Sa ne ye tuni sa kwada we di akwakodru. Ebedu mebdu bon so woni da so oba bia no. Oduru mane bone a wonwe ho. Because I'm not one why carry so anytime Bia he's willing to die. Anytime Bia why carry so be it will this or do money bonia one or do one new. And I'm besides Asem way. What kind of future any trade at all my enchimba? That's a ben ye trade at all. Why do we have a lot of children beggars on our street? It ain't to be your home share. It is say ya na beye. Because social welfare phone is it ain't say ya. You are here to get to a time every room will get a beggar. Oh sorry, I know she a beggar or kwano. Every single room in this country one day will get a beggar. Because I three men why you're not simply to me regulated here, and I'm not for better more. And people are setting businesses for it. What's the matter? Children's acting we. Mako children baby a sin to kasi ewo. So my Ghana mambra kutia a prostitution two bra. Be say two ni sha kwada dia ye say okay. What's the matter? Ye di hon komo. Now want to believe say ensakaye embra. Ministry of Gender, Children and Social Protection, yeah, social welfare. Then because you can't, because I no munya. Baby, as well, once some kwada nko gun, I want infa. And then you say, see, kase no one be some kwada na koma. School feeding crowd once in 50 pesos. Now I won't go school. Edi dia kwese so man kwabra sante na pam for ekrado. Eri pense mu to aso because Yakopon ya adwa September de kese bi be sia sante mampon. Nyame adwa September ade kese bi ba be si wo asante mampon. Mema o details no. Pense mu to aso ba ka still asemedika.